stupid.
Grenade.
PV server's right there.
Nah.
No, this is PvP.
I know what the whole time
Liar!
is
You're
PvP.
such a
I
liar.
just killed somebody.
There's the guy for Lead Watch. Can somebody
Oh,
give me
shit.
revolver ammo? Guys,
Yeah, you barely.
do it like this.
Yeah.
Dude, somebody give me
like
revolver
this.
ammo. Give me revolver ammo. I need revolver ammo.
Guys, who do it like this? Like,
Yeah, I want revolver ammo.
Just give it back my umbrella, bro. Just give it back my umbrella.
Now,
Who's
what do
doing
you
this,
have for
RBG? I'm gonna give you a revolver ammo if you give me my umbrella back.
Okay. Buy it.
Give me my umbrella back. Buy it. Give me. Give me first
Buy
my
it.
umbrella
Buy
back.
it. No, you're gonna scare
Bro,
me.
he's
No,
teamer.
no.
I'm not giving you nothing. Huh?
Bomb now.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this bitch is good at it.
So do you want to get this out of play?
Yeah, he dead. Yo, can someone buy me a rock? Kill him now. Kill him now.
Go now.
Ow!
No, my
I
punch.
heard that, bro. Get him.
Get him.
Get him.
No.
Oh, I want to be a bomber. Woo. What is this do?
You step out, I'm killing you.
Okay. Yo, where's the bomb?
If I was killing you,
You have to go through me. If you're gonna kill my best bomber, you have to go through me. Bro, can I help you, Freddy? Yo, buy me a grenade. Yo, buy me a grenade. I have a stupid idea. We're gonna put it at the very bottom. I'm broke. I'm broke as hell. Yoski, you.
How much money you got? I only have
Yo,
281.
Yo, wait.
I'm 14. I'm broke.
Wait, no. If you guys try killing my bomber and he has a red watch, you have to go through me because he's my best bomber ever.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Yeah, first you gotta buy me a grenade. He's my best bomber.
I'm broke.
You touch him, you're
I'll buy
gay.
you dynamite.
okay. Frog. Hay muchos. Hay muchos.
What does that say? What does this say?
Quita todo. Nothing. Nothing. Ahora,
Wait till it says enter promo code.
¿Otra vez? This is nothing. What is this? It says. Yeah. It says there.